Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode in the Forge for mobile users. Let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn on shift lock mode, all you have to do is make your way over to the settings. From settings, what you want to do is you want to first go over to camera mode and go ahead and set that to follow. Now this will only be for mobile. This will be the shift lock alternative because there is no direct shift lock switch setting. So what you need to do is go ahead and just change the camera mode to follow, and then that will allow you to enable shift lock mode, and that will be the alternative to it as for mobile. So you guys can go ahead and try doing that. You guys can go also play around with the other camera settings as well. It's possible that you might like the other ones as well. So other than that, that should basically be it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.